Hi syndicates! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, the best place for avant-garde makeup and high-end retouching. Today I'm going to be starting a new series which is turning my avant-garde looks into editorial and wearable makeup looks. This is the one I'm going to be doing today, and we're going to be diluting it into an absolutely new super chic look that you can wear to your next party when we can go out and party again. Stay safe. Alright, we're going for a pink theme today. The palette that I'm going to be using is the Modern Dreamer palette by NYX Professional Makeup. Okay, we're going to take a small brush, small and fluffy brush, and I think I'm going to steer towards more of a coral than like bubblegum pink look. So we're going to be using these colors up top, 1, 2, 3, and probably a little bit of shimmer. We'll see. I like to kind of experiment as I go along. We'll always start with the lightest. We're going to start with the lightest shade right here. And I accidentally dipped into the other one, of course. Mistakes were made, but it's okay. Tap, 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 tap gently into the... You can get rid of excess, by the way, by tapping away. Or just press it into your eyelids super gently. And then blend it out on the side, just like so. We are 25% done already. Ta-da! Now we're going to go to the second color right here. Same brush. And going into the outer corner of the eye, I'm pressing that in and blending it out. Same thing on the other side. I will say it's really weird to be doing these makeup looks because I feel like they feel basic to me only because of the fact that I'm so used to doing 4-hour to 6-hour long looks of a full face of makeup. My face is always covered in glue and gems and so much paint. So it is a little bit weird, but very refreshing to be starting something new. Okay, now that we're satisfied with this, I'm actually going to take the same brush now that I have very little product and go in the very, very inner corner of my eye. Not my eye, it's like right here where the nose and my eyebrows meet. And I'm only adding a tiny bit on each side so I can develop a very distinct crevice crease. There we go! Very nice! I like this color. So now we have the base of the eyeshadow done, but I want to make things a little bit more complicated for myself. I'm going to add pink/red to my eyebrows. So I'm taking this color with another, this is actually an art brush, a paint brush for fine detailing, and it's got an angle to it. I'm going to take this color, draw over my eyebrows to color it. I already have my eyebrows done, but I wanted to mix the brown with some red so that this look feels more elevated, you know what I mean? Brushing off the excess, and I'm exaggerating the end a little bit. Ooh, look at the difference. Other eyebrow, I look like that talk show host from the Hunger Games. Obviously don't make them slightly lopsided like me. I'm gonna blend out the front parts because it's a bit too intense for my liking. Now, we're going to be taking white liner. I'm gonna take a very, very thin tiny detail brush, and this is 10/0, which is the fraction of how small the brush is. Take the tip, brush the applicator. I'm going to draw this line as best as I can. Hope where the beginning is going to be, this side too, and just hope that they are symmetrical. So far, so good. And there we go. Now the hard part is doing the other side. I'm leaning on my table for this. So if they're not symmetrical, you can fix the other side. Remember, it's your design, so you can make edits wherever you see fit. It's really hard to do symmetry because your face is not naturally symmetrical. Anyways, we're going to take a small, flat, rounded brush at the tip, like this. I'm using this color that I used for my eyebrows. We're going to go right underneath the white line, and we're going to add a shadow to it. You can raise your eyebrows a little bit to help you see better. Brush downwards only. So now we have an ombre effect. Now just do it on the other side. I start in the middle because there's more surface area to begin with. And generally you have too much product, or you have a lot more product when you first start. So you want to put that where the emphasis is going to be higher. It helps to rest your hand on your cheek very gently. Make sure that the concealer that you just drew on your face is dry so that the eyeshadow doesn't get picked up by the cream. There we go. We have done the hardest part already. Now the trick is not to mess anything else up. I'm going to put mascara on. I'm going to be using the Lash Freak by Urban Decay. I'll brush upwards. Now that I've done the top of my eyelashes, I'm going to do the bottom lashes. I'm going to use the tip. Okay, I'm gonna do liquid liner just at the top, and then we're gonna apply our lashes. I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner. I'm just drawing a very, very small cat eye. And I love a good inner corner flick. Dry, 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 dry. I'm taking my lash glue. I'm gonna start applying my gems. I'm not gonna go too crazy with this. I think I'm going to be using these two. They're flat back rhinestones that are for nail art. And I found them off of Amazon. They come in so many sets. And what I apply them with is a wax pencil like this or some tweezers. Alright guys, we're about the halfway point of this video. So if you like this look so far and you like what I'm doing, then please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can see more of my work. Alright, now back to business. What I like to do is I start with the bigger gems and then I like to build around it. I apply the glue directly onto my face. And I'm putting it right at the inner corners. I will start with just the 2 dots because I don't want to put too much. I'm going to take a gem, put it on this side, boom, and it sticks so nicely. Take the other one, position, and fire. To do jewel clusters, you do 1 big gem and then you use smaller ones that are on a more neutral color. So for now, I have the 2 big ones. I'm going to take the tiniest ones in silver. Then once I wait till the glue is a bit tacky, when it's exposed to the air, it gets sticky. I'm going to take the little gem, put it on my wax pencil, and boop, it onto my face. You can adjust it really easily with just your finger by nudging it upwards, but just be careful not to accidentally scratch off or rub off any of the makeup. One up here, other one up here. Perfect! I love it! Now down here, I want to put some gems as well. It's just 1 big one and 2 little ones. So far so good. As you guessed it, we're doing a bit more over here. And this time for the one in the outer corner, I'm using a darker gem. There we go. Now we're going to put on our eyelashes, add some blush and lipstick. Okay, for the cheeks, I'm using Quickie by Milk Makeup. It's a cheek tint. And the color is like so. So, I'm just going to touch it. Ta-da! So now I'm a bit rosy. Add a little bit to my nose. I like a little bit of a rosy nose. It smells funky. And for highlight, I'm going to be using Love You So Mochi by NYX Professional Makeup. And because we kind of have like an iridescent pink look, I'm going to be using this color and this one. Okay, so starting with this one, I'm going to take a bit of that, apply it to my cheekbones, and spreading it out with my finger. I also like to put it right here on the tip of my nose. And also right here. Then don't forget your Cupid's bow, your chin a little bit here, and a little bit there. For my lips, I'm using matte lipstick by MAC Cosmetics, and it's in the color of Diva. And for my eyelashes, I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Georgina False Lashes. Take the same glue that I used to glue my gems, apply it on my lash line, and as long as it is a little bit less wet on your eye, you can apply the eyelashes on. So I'm just gonna make sure it's nice and curled for my lash. Ta-da! I've accidentally stuck my eyelids together. So here we are with my eyelashes on, and this is the final look. Now we just gotta change, and then you're done. If you like this look, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you can see more where this came from. To see all my avant-garde makeup looks, go to my Instagram at Cindy Chen Designs, and I'm also on TikTok at Cindy Chen Designs. So you can follow me on TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, but I'm mostly on Instagram anyway. If there's a specific look that you want me to change into an editorial version so that you can wear that out, then make sure to leave a comment below here and attach the link of the photo to my Instagram page, or else I won't know which photo you're talking about. As usual, everyone, stay creative, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao! Oh my gosh, I've had this on the whole time, damn it.